Hey folks, I've had so many people ask me, hey, well, how'd you become a travel agent and how can I become a travel agent? Well, I'll tell you how I became a travel agent in lesson 2, but lesson number 1 in becoming a travel agent. Are you getting into it for the right reasons? I've had people approach me and say, hey, I want to get some free travel. I want discounts. I want inside information. I want. If your attitude is, I want, and what do I get out of this? That's the wrong attitude, and I don't know how successful you will be as a travel agent if it's all about you. When you are a travel agent, it's all about your client. We are in a service-based industry, and how we take care of our clients greatly and 100% impacts the level of success we are going to have, because the better our service to the client, the more they're going to recommend us, the more they're going to come back for repeat service. So getting to be a travel agent is never about me. Getting to be a travel agent is about you. What can I do for you? And if I look tired in this video, it's because I am. I was up till 2:30 in the morning this morning booking dining reservation for 25 of my clients going on a Virgin Voyages cruise. The dining reservations opened up about 11:30 p.m. last night. I had 25 staterooms to book. The Virgin Voyages booking engine did what it usually does. It was crashing. It took 2 computers, 3 browsers, 15 crashes, almost 3 hours to book the 25 sets of dining reservation, but that's what I have to do in order to take care of my clients. And I will do anything within reason to take care of my clients, even if it means I don't get as much sleep as I should. So that's my lesson number 1 in becoming a travel agent. Hey folks, if we can help you in any way with your land, sea, cruise, or luxury travel, please reach out. where'swaltertravel.com. Have an awesome day, everybody. I'm gonna go get some more sleep.